Knotties, this is Queen Knotti coming to you with another quick wig review. Well, actually, this is a pineapple. It's a top piece, and she's by Outre. And the name of this pineapple ponytail that I'm wearing, top piece, I call it, sitting here, is called Hottie. And I have her in a color number 2. Check her out. Yes. This particular do knot is perfect if you don't want to do no fuss with your hair. As you can see, I have my hair just cornrow. It's been plenty hot. So, you just put this on the top. You can have your hair cornrow at the top of your hair. And yeah, she's a real cute top piece. They come in different styles, different names, and I purchased her from Elevated Styles. Yeah. Check her out. I just want to tell you, as you can see this picture, these pineapple pieces are meant to really for them to sit well on your top of your head. You have a ponytail here or a little bun, but just make sure that it's kind of in line with the top part of your head here, so that it kind of give you a definition. It's just like the picture how this here is formed here, and it's just kind of forming, and it's really nothing else that you need to do. You just want to make sure that you're placing it, that you're not setting it too far back, and the definition of the pineapple will, it's really cute. It comes with a comb here, and there's a comb in the back here, right there where you would put a ponytail if your hair is very short and you still would like to wear this piece. That's perfectly fine. It's just placement on the top. And you can just, it's not really much you can do. I love it. So natural looking, the hair. They're little coils. So there's different, as I mentioned to you, once you go to Elevated Styles, they have several different textures that you can wear. If you like the curly ones, some like the curly with the little stringy texture at the tips, and some are actually like perhaps remind you of Shirley Temple curls. But this one here, let me tell you something, I've had her for quite some time, and as I mentioned, it's getting warm and hot, and you don't want to take your hair down. You can just flip this beautiful piece on the top of your hair and just go. This unit is easy to wear. You don't have to style it, no fuss. I'm just showing you of how the little coils are in, so you see me pretty much pulling them out. You don't want to mold it down to your head. Just leave it, let it flow naturally, and basically, like, that's it. Now I just want to tell you, there is a comb here. This is why it's very important as far as the placement of the top piece, because when the wind blows, if you don't secure this section of the head here, the front part, it'll flat back on you. So you don't just want to, you want to utilize the comb here, and you can just add some bobby pins. I insert a bobby pin, not all the way down too deep, because you don't want to damage your scalp. So this is the size bobby pin that I use, and it's long, so I just go across. You don't dig, even though they have tips, and I just stick it across and just hold it down that way. And there's a comb here, and you want to make sure that if you have your cornrow starting here, that you want to insert something there, so you don't want a flat back. Hold up there, so you want it to stick. The reason why I mentioned not to stick the pins is because you can puncture your scalp, and that'll really hurt your follicles. So the purpose of protective style is to protect your scalp, and you don't want to do anything to damage your scalp. So there we have it, Queen Knotti in a pineapple, and again, her name is Hottie, and they have different styles, different texture top pieces. Very nice, cool for the summer, and I like her. Yes. So I probably will come back to you with another review in a different color, so that you can actually see. And yes. My earrings of today, check them out, Knotties. These are my shells. Yes, they look heavy, but they're really lightweighted. But let me tell you a story about my little earrings. They were flat. I don't know, they have this curvature going on, but I like them. They still, I guess it's the heat expansion, and they took a shape of their own, but they're still really nice. So these are my shells and my earrings of today. Click the link in my description box to purchase this unit. You'll see the link to Elevated Styles below. So again, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. And I want to thank you guys for my new subscribers, and my subscribers have been with me from the very beginning. I can't really tell you how much I appreciate your support. And thank you very much. And I'll see you on my next video. This is Queen Knotti signing out on another style. Yes, check her out.